Apple's newly released iOS 26 brings more fun and seamless experiences to everyday conversations. In terms of emojis, iOS 26 introduces a vibrant new collection, including the trombone, treasure chest, twisted face, furry creature, fighting, clouds, apple core, orca, ballerina, and landslide. Among others, users gain more creative options. Beyond converting text descriptions into Genmoji, they can now combine two emojis to create entirely new designs. For example, blending a sloth with a light bulb for a unique expression. Emojis can also be combined with text descriptions. For instance, when inviting friends to a karaoke night, one can mix a woman emoji with a microphone and add a sequin jacket. Details like facial expressions can be freely adjusted to show shock or laughter, and hairstyles can be modified to match real-life looks. In Image Playground, users can now generate images using ChatGPT. In addition to existing animation and sketch styles, there are new ChatGPT exclusive styles, such as oil painting effects for contact posters. Users maintain full control over their content. No information is shared with ChatGPT without permission. Moreover, developers can integrate these new features into their own apps via the Image Playground API. Soon, users will be able to enjoy this highly creative and fun new feature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting updates.